Today I'm going to go over NNDM or Nano Dimension. It's Nano Dimension, it's not Nano Dimensions. There is no S. It is just one Nano Dimension. No one else does what they're doing. But anyways, as you guys may know, their earnings call for the third quarter this year is on November 12th. I'm not expecting any crazy numbers as we still have CV19 that is really prevalent. The CEO has already said it himself that he's not expecting any growth until around the middle of next year, so Q2 2021 at the soonest. Of course, circumstances can change, obviously, but that is what he's expecting right now. So if you're buying Nano Dimension just specifically to bet on earnings right now, I would not do that. If you're buying Nano Dimension, it's because you believe in the product and you believe in the company. And today I'm just going to talk about the price points that it's at right now and where price seems to hold and where I think price could go. So here I have the daily chart open currently. I have a bunch of price levels that I've already marked in prior videos. I don't believe I've changed any of these. Maybe a couple I've just drawn out, but for the most part, nothing has changed. These lines, for the most part, on my chart make the most sense on a daily. We had our run to $6 and we have since retraced half of the way. Price is sitting around $3. I think this has a lot to do with the most recent stock offering that Nano Dimension had. So I think it's fair to say that the issue price of $3 that they had is reflecting in the stock market right now. Price actually came down as low as $2.67. If you got anywhere under $3, I would say that at current times, that is an excellent price point. You are buying at support right now, and in the past, this has been a level that price has held. So I think at these price points, based on potential sales figures in the future and current valuation, I just think this is a fair price point. Now, if you got it under $2, I think you got Nano Dimension at a steal. If Nano Dimension does get back down to those price levels without any real justification, and I'm talking business fundamentals, I'm not talking another wave of illness as we have seen be talked about. I think overall right now this is just a good area of price support. So in terms of price targets, I'm expecting the share price to eventually go back above this $6 mark. This is not a intraday trading scenario. I'm not in Nano Dimension for day trading. I am in this company long term. I believe in their product. I have done a ton of research on them already, and I have just what I would deem a lot of convicting information to make me comfortable investing in them. In the short term, I can easily see it range between $2 and $3. So really, you have to decide what price that you think for Nano Dimension is fair, because it's impossible to guess the bottom exactly. Just think of these areas of support and resistance as zones, and you have to figure out where you think price is fair. You have to be able to distinguish where the price is low enough versus am I being greedy. So those are definitely things I would consider in terms of Nano Dimension. But as far as earnings go for next week, I'm not expecting anything crazy. I believe price is basically fair right now. It's holding at $3. We're not fluctuating around $1 or $2 anymore. And in my opinion, I don't think the elections are going to have very adverse effects on the stock market as people are thinking it is. What I think could really influence the market in the short term, though, is the stimulus. That is actually going to have material effect on the money circulating, and I think that if there's stimulus, there's just going to be a boost in everything. So that's just something that I would definitely look out for. And that's my macroeconomic take of things, but Nano Dimension, I think they are in a good position right now. It's just a matter of waiting and seeing where they go. I also saw this very unusual spike in options price earlier this morning, so I definitely would advise you guys to keep an eye on Nano Dimension because the implied volatility on the options was like almost 400%. So I think something a little crazy is happening behind the curtains. So pretty much, if I could summarize this video, just don't sleep on Nano Dimension. If you're still on the fence and you're not sure if you want to invest, but you like the company, then, just watch them. And in that case, you could just get a feel for how the market is reacting to things. But if you've already done your research and you're watching my video just to maybe get like some kind of further conviction, if you believe in the company as much as I do and you have done your research, you would feel comfortable investing in them right now. I'm invested in Nano Dimension. I own their stock and I have options to purchase for next year. I'm just waiting for them to do something that would materially affect them in a positive way. Right now, there's not a whole bunch of that because of the illness, but we will see that in the future, I believe. I also made a video yesterday about the stock market and the elections and stocks as a whole. So if you want to watch a video that's basically not super Trump or Biden and just a basic summarization of stocks as a whole in the long term, I would definitely go and check that video out. I think you guys will like it. But besides that, that is my take on Nano Dimension. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked what you're watching, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps my videos get out to more people and potential investors, and it helps the channel as a whole. So thank you guys. And you should even consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified when I make videos just like this one. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers and supporters, and I will see you in the next video.